Are you ready for a new adventure with style, luxury, and comfort all together? Introducing Nomadic cooling battery-powered mobile air conditioners engineered to deliver superior durability, reliability, and performance. No need to idle or connect to a generator to operate. Our battery-powered air conditioners ensure a comfortable travel environment non-stop. Up to 70% more efficient than traditional rooftop air conditioners. The built-in LCD control panel with Set It and Forget It technology enables user-friendly control for easy usage. Simply connect any Nomadic cooling air conditioner to an existing DC power source and get ready to travel with comfort. Go further in comfort.